Osmo Mobile 7 is expected to have a lighter and more compact design, making it easier to carry and use for extended periods. This new design will enhance portability without compromising the gimbal's performance. Secondly, the Osmo Mobile 7 is expected to feature an improved stabilization algorithm, making it even more effective at reducing shake and jitter during video recording. This enhancement is expected to provide smoother footage even in challenging environments and is ideal for both professional and casual videographers. Thirdly, an advanced AI-powered tracking feature is expected to be included, allowing the Osmo Mobile 7 to better follow subjects automatically. Fourthly, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is expected to have enhanced compatibility with a wider range of smartphones, including larger and heavier models. This increased compatibility ensures that users with different devices can enjoy the stabilizer's benefits without worrying about fitting or balance issues. Number 5. An advanced AI-powered tracking feature is expected to be included, allowing the Osmo Mobile 7 to better follow subjects automatically. Number 6. Object detection capabilities are expected to be upgraded, allowing the gimbal to recognize and focus on specific objects more accurately. This improvement will enhance the ability to create dynamic shots, especially in crowded or fast-moving environments. Number 7. A redesigned quick release system is rumored to be included, making it easier and faster to mount and dismount smartphones. This feature will streamline the setup process, saving time and enhancing the overall user experience. Moreover, an extended Bluetooth range is likely to be featured, allowing for more reliable connectivity between the gimbal and the smartphone. This feature will enable users to control gimbal from a greater distance more efficiently, enhancing its versatility in various shooting scenarios. Customizable buttons are expected to be more efficient, which enables users to set up gimbal controls with ease and according to their preferences. Subscribe for more such updates.